we are going to see about what is meant by operators. Operators are of several types. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, bitwise operators. First, we see what is arithmetic operator. In arithmetic operator, we have several types. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, floor division. First, we see what is meant by addition operator. In addition operator, it is like in this arithmetic operator, it is like basic mathematical operations. Okay, so first of all, for addition operator, we use plus symbol to add two operands. So in this expression, num1 plus num2, num1 and num2 are two variables. So they are operands and this plus is operator. Okay. So plus is operator and num1 and num2 are operands. So we are printing num1 plus num2. It results in 2 plus 6 is equal to results in 10 and 3. So 13. Okay. This 2 plus 6 is printed because this statement print 2 plus 6 is equal to 2 plus 6. So here also we are using addition operator. So it prints 8. See this statement print num1 minus num2. Num1 is 10, num2 is 3. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Then num1 into num2. So 10 into 3, which is 30. It is num1 divided by num2. But here, the division is like not a floor division, it is a normal division. In Python, normal division will result in floating points. Okay, see here 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 is 3.3333 by 1. Okay, then print 1 floor division of 2. So in floor division, it will cut off the decimal values. So it just cut off this 0.333. So it cut off this whole values and results in 3. It will not round off. It just cut off the decimal points. Okay. Then num1 star num2. It is exponential. That it is equal to 10 power 3. 10 power 3 is equal to 1000. Okay. It's just simple as simple. So here I have used multiplication is equal to num1 star num2. I'm printing multiplication. I just run it again because I wrote this line of code after executing the above. So I have stored the product of these two variable inside multiplication variable and printed multiplication. It results in 30. Okay. Then coming to the next operator, comparison operator. Comparison operator is just comparing the two operands. It may return true if the comparison is true. It returns false if the comparison is false. So see here, num1 is equal to 30, num2 is equal to 10. Num1 is equal to num2. Is it is true? No. So it is false. It returns a Boolean value. So false. Then in next statement, num1 is not equal to num2. Is it is true? Yes, true. 30 is not equal to 10. Yeah. So it returns true. Num1 is less than num2. Num1. So 30 is less than 10. No. So it is false. Num1 is greater than num2. Yeah, it is true. Why? Because 30 is greater than 10. In this statement, num1 is less than or equal to num2. Is num1 is less than or equal to num2? No. 30 is less than 10 and also 30 is not equal to 10. If both the values are equal, it returns true because it is less than or equal to. If one condition is satisfied, it will return true. Okay. In this statement, num1 is greater than or equal to num2. Num1. So 30 is greater than or equal to 10. Yeah, it's true. So true value is returned. The next operator is logical operator. Telling about logical operator, it is used to determine whether the both condition is true or both condition maybe one condition is true, then the value is true, or two condition is true, the value is true. It will be clearly understand in this upcoming example. See here, salary one is equal to 1000, val is equal to true. Print salary one is greater than 100 and salary one less than 1001. Is 1000 is greater than 100? Yes. Is 1000 is less than 1001? Yes. So both are true. So and we must receive the both statement to be true to get the result true. Okay, so the result is true. In next print, salary one is greater than 100. Yeah, the salary one is 1000, 1000 is greater than 100. Or salary one 1000 is less than 200. Is it is less than 1? No, false. So this statement returns false, this statement returns true. In R, if one statement is true, the result will be true. So it returns true. Then print not val. Val is true. So in not, it returns the opposite. So it returns the false. Okay. This is what the logical operator. Identity operator. Identity operator has only two operators that are is and is not. What is meant by is? So if the two variables memory address are equal, it returns true. If not, it returns false. The opposite is not. We will see this in the upcoming example. See this, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 12. What is the address of x? Address of x is this, and x address of y is this. Is the both addresses are true? No. If we check x is y, it will check both the address is true or false. Whether both the address are equal or not. Yes, the both the address are not equal. So it returns false. Okay. See this example. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 10. I already taught you that if the same values are stored in different variables, then the memory address will be same for the both variables. So ID of x, ID of y will be same. So x is y. Yeah, it is true. Okay. And see here, x is equal to y. Okay, we are assigning the y value to x. And then the memory address will be same. So it returns true. Then next operator is membership operator. What is meant by membership operator? The membership operator are mainly used in sequential data type. Sequential data type are just a data type in which all the values are stored in a sequential order. We already studied that string is a sequential data type. So see here, I have used a string programming and stored in set. X is equal to A, Y is equal to B. These both are also a string. First, I have wrote a statement called X in Z. So A in programming. Does programming contains A? Yes. Then it returns true. Y in Z. Does programming contains B? No. So it returns false. Then X not in Z. Sorry, Y not in Z. V not in programming. Yeah, it is not in programming. So it returns true. Then Z in X. Whether programming is in A? No, not possible. So it is false. Z not in X. Z. So programming is not in X. So A. This programming is not in A. Yeah, it is not in A. Okay. So this is all about these operators. We will see many operators in next video.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.